Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G10 and Samsung Smart TV. Today I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV. Firstly, on your TV turn screen mirroring option on, and now on your smartphone swipe down notification bar, extend it and search for screencast option. Now go to settings and make sure that enable wireless display is on. Now select your TV. As you can see, both devices has the same screen. Make sure that both TV and smartphone are connected to same Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.